Fair Iron and Customs. It's been a couple of days. Guys, I have been way under the weather. We may have a talk about that in the future. But, you know, today we're moving forward. So I had a little bit of, went a little bit of a different route this morning. I'm not working for the shop, and I apologize for some of the camera angles because I'm trying not to catch my work van in any of the camera angles. We're technically not supposed to, have any of the work logos on social media. Anybody that works for a company in these times understands where I'm going with that. So what we're doing today is unboxing a 42-inch double bank roller cabinet. This is the Series 3 US General. It is 42 inches and it's supposed to be blue with black trim, as long as it's labeled right. So, like I said, I'm going to try to keep angles that doesn't necessarily have the work van in it. This is for the work van, so I won't show it with it in the van, but what we've got to do is uncrate this. We've got to check it out, make sure everything's okay on it. I've got to take the casters off of it because obviously it doesn't need to be able to roll around in the back of the van and, stuff. So that's what I'm doing on a Sunday. And the reason why is this was on the parking lot. Was it the parking lot sale? So this was about $100 off today. All right, guys, this should be fairly simple. It's got 3 straps. A lot of times if you pick these up, a lot of times if you go to the store and pick these up, they load at the loading dock and you're able to go ahead and unbox it at the store if you want to, and throw the trash in their dumpster. But I figured, we'll unbox it here. All right, guys, there's some interesting instructions here. The last time I bought a Harbor Freight cabinet, it's been well over 7 or 8 years ago, I expect. And I think, y'all seen my 72-inch box at the shop. I don't know if it had this ramp, but some cool instructions on the side. Apparently they have a ramp for you to pull it down off of the crate with. That's pretty nice. Of course, it's not going to do us any good out here on this ground. Well, let's get this top off. Okay guys, so this is the first of the unboxing. The box looks okay. I like the blue color. For me, I personally would not want a white or an orange. I do have a I do have a green Series 2 box. Your keys are right here. Your keys are right here in the bag on the drawer. They should be locked. Wow. You want to make sure you had enough keys. Okay, ain't nothing wrong with that. And on the Series 3, the grip runs all the way across the bottom of the drawer so you can open it. That's one of the things I like about this box, is that it does have drawers that lock. My Craftsman box that's in my van currently, part of the problem with it is 30 years old and wore out. I bought it probably around one of the second job I had working as a mechanic. Third job I had working as a mechanic, and it's been a number of years ago. And there is your little ramp to help you roll the cart, help you roll the box down off of the pallet. You might want to try and you may want to take, if you were unloading this at home, you may want to try to screw that down, like shoot some screws into the pallet some way so that it doesn't kick out when it comes down. Let's see where the handle located. We have got to grab this box from the other direction. There's the handle kit right there. I will probably stick it on when I get this in the van. Like I said, the box looks nice. All the drawers, US General makes really great boxes. I've got, like I said, the one in the shop. This is a nicer box, I think, than the Series 3 is nicer than the one that I have in the shop. But, I'm not going to trade in my box to get a new box for the shop. Without a doubt, I'm not going to do that. But, like I said, I think that's where we're going to leave it today, guys. The box looks good. And it's going to be right behind the what you call the headache rack, or the middle divider inside the work van. Anyway, guys, y'all have a great day, and we will catch y'all in the next one. I'm hoping we're going to be back on the truck. I'm feeling a whole lot better than I was the last few days. So, and a matter of fact, once I get this inside this van, I may run out there and work for a while.